Automatic image measuring instrument. Using full closed-loop servo control technology. It runs smoothly, with low noise and fast running speed. The workpiece circle is prohibited from graphic scanning. And GPS navigation can quickly find the position to be measured. With 0.7 to 4.5 times continuous zoom optical lens. The X/Y accuracy is 3+L/200 Repeatability 3 The perfect LCNC. 3D measurement system ensures that the plane accuracy of different focal lengths is not affected. Program automatic measurement, automatic focus. Automatic edge finding, reduce manual intervention. The whole machine adopts metal body, natural marble platform. No deformation, high precision, strong stability, support and programming for multi-machine use, element remeasurement. Collective operation, tolerance judgment is automatically updated, etc. Mainly used for two-dimensional plane detection of hardware, plastics and precision products, or other two-dimensional projection detection, etc.